This video is to teach you how to do cluster analysis. So I'm going to use 1940 population data as an example. And here's my 1940 population 1940 census tract maps. And if you remember, I kind of consolidate everything else into a big tract. And this big tract, although the population density is extremely low, but it does have a huge number of population available for this even huger area. So this will be a problem for cluster analysis, and therefore just for the purpose for using 1940 and 1950 data, you need to do the next step. But for other years data that you have data for every area and also for economic groups, you don't have to do the following step. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to open the attribute table, and then you will see all those tracks, and the last record is for the rest of the county area, and you will see this amount of population for this area. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to highlight the above. So by doing this, I asked GIS to only focus on the select areas I have here for the following analysis. So after you have selected the data that does have tract level population information, now let's do the cluster analysis. So again, go back to your Octobox. If you don't see it, bring up Octobox here, and then go to Spatial Statistic Tools, and go to Mapping Clusters, and then click on this Cluster and Outlier Analysis. For input feature class, select for me select TRT40, and then for input cluster, I'm going to work on white population. It's BUQ001. So select that and say OK, and just wait. And now the analysis is done. So I'm going to uncheck this track 40 so that we don't see the track 40 map here. And then therefore, if you look at the cluster analysis, so the dark areas are high cluster, that's with high concentration of population. And then the gray areas is not significant, so there's no clusters at all. And then there should be an orange area, but there's no, and a white area is outliers, and the orange area, if you have it, is outliers. So it's something that's very much different from the given analysis. And this is low density of extremely low density of white population, and therefore by doing so, those are the areas of high concentration of white population, or those are the clusters of white population in 1940.